Passage 15 start. Briefly stated, the facts of the case are that petitioner filed a civil suit for declaration, permanent and directive injunction against the respondents that petitioner be allowed to sit in the MBBS second year examination as well as onward examinations. The suit was accompanied by application for temporary injunction. Respondents were summoned who contested the suit by filing written statement and also filed reply to the application for temporary injunction. Arguments on application were heard and the London Trial Court, through its order dated 15/1/2014, rejected the plea being not maintainable. Feeling aggrieved, petitioner preferred appeal, and during pendency of the appeal, petitioner filed an application for direction to be issued to the respondents to issue her examination form and roll number in order to enable her to appear in upcoming examinations. While impugned order dated 4/7/2014, the same was dismissed and the matter was fixed for arguments on main appeal as well as application for impleadment of Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC) for 8/9/2014. Learned counsel for the petitioner contended that petitioner is a student of first year MBBS and as per petitioner first year and second year MBBS constitutes first professional of MBBS and failing in subject in first year does not debar a student from appearing in the fails papers with second year examination. Reliance is placed on case of Laptagin versus Principal Sedu Sharif Medical College, Swat and three others PLD 2004 Peshawar 307. Arguments heard and record perused. At the very outset, the attention of learned counsel was drawn to relevant provision of regulation framed by PMNDC, which applies to all the students of MBBS throughout the country, whereby no student can be permitted to higher class unless he passes all the subject of previous class. Perusal of record reveals that the petitioner failed part first MBBS in physiology. In the second attempt, the petitioner once again could not get passing marks, so she was denied to take classes of first professional MBBS Part 2. Provision of Section 4 Examination Rule 3 of PMNDC regulation provides that no student can be promoted to the higher classes unless he passes all the subjects of the previous class, and there should be no more than two professional university examinations in a year. Petitioner failed to pass all the subjects, cannot be permitted to sit in the higher classes or to appear in the next term examination simultaneously without first clearing her failed subject. This issue was elaborately examined in the case of Muhammad Umar Wahid and others versus University of Health Sciences Lahore and others PLD 2006. Supreme Court 300, wherein the judgment referred by the learned counsel for the petitioner in Alaptagin case Supra has also been examined. It has been held by the Supreme Court that in case of non-clearance of all subjects in first professional Part 1 MBBS examination, there is a bar on the promotion of student to second year and also examination of the second year along with first year remaining papers. Full stop and close.